We got all the boxes and I've been busy cleaning them up. It has been hectic weeks. Today I decided to bake something special for myself to relax my soul. This is my first time baking in our new kitchen. I feel so happy to be back in where I belong. Wash strawberries and let them dry. Leave mushy ones for strawberry sauce and take firm, good-looking ones for heart-shaped strawberries. Today we pour this sauce all over the slice and enjoy. It really adds the extra deliciousness. Today I didn't puree all the way and left some tiny pieces to enjoy some textures. Sugar. Huge lemon. So pretty. And add lemon juice. Heat up with medium heat. Once it starts boiling, cook for another 1 minute or so to make it thicken a little bit more. And let it cool completely. Cut a stem and make a cut on the middle like that. And then I cut into heart shapes. You can cut better when you move your knife back and forth like that. Set them aside in the fridge. Soak gelatin sheet in ice water and let it hydrate beforehand. Okay, set aside. Add heavy cream. I recommend you to whip up heavy cream beforehand also so that you can use it right away later. And set aside in the fridge. Make sure your cream cheese is softened completely to make smooth filling. I'm going to add vanilla beans today, but you can use vanilla extract instead. Okay. Now add sour cream and granulated sugar. Okay, and mix. Okay. Heat up the puree in a microwave to melt gelatin in it. Squeeze well. Gelatin melts between 50 to 60 Celsius. Make sure that gelatin is completely melted. Add lemon juice. Okay, then add the puree. Because I left some tiny pieces of strawberries and strawberry seeds today, it does not look completely smooth. I kind of wanted texture today. Add 1 big scoop of whipped cream and fold. fold again. Okay. Change with the spatula and make sure that they're evenly blended.
Today I used Genoa's sponge as a base. I'll leave the link of the video down below just in case you're interested. You can do graham cracker crust instead as well. I added extra puree on top.
Avoid the very center.
And this is optional, but you can swirl like that.
And squish in the heart.
You can add more puree if you want oozing sauce coming out when you slice. Chill in the fridge for a few hours before slicing.
And sugar.
I like to whip up well to make stiff, fluffy cream. take care of yourself first to take care of others. I find it so true. I feel I was a little bit neglecting myself lately. This was a good reminder. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you like this video and leave your question if you have any. Enjoy pastry living, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.